I just got my first mic and today we're gonna be unboxing it. Alright, because this is my first mic, well actually it's my first two, it's really cheap and I hope it improves my audio. I just have I have these flight wings that I got from my aunt because she's a flight attendant. Let's close that and yeah, I don't want to use a knife because I don't want you to think we're some crazy random channel. Okay, so I've seen a lot of reviews on these. These were $20. I got them on Amazon. And I know this is literally not cubing related at all, but I just want to show you guys my first mic. Ooh! So it's a lavalier mic. I think that's what you call it, but so it comes with two. You plug this into your phone, so you can charge this too. And then you just hook one of these onto your shirt. And supposedly these are really good. I can be charging one while using the other. Now I am going to actually charge one of these, and when I come back from this hand swipe, I'll do some solves and I'll maybe try to talk, and let's see what I sound like. So let's do this. Okay, so this has been charging for an hour and a half now. And so I'm assuming it's probably fully charged, and so I'm not using it right now, as you can see. But I'm gonna turn it on, and yeah, let's put it on. So now it's on my shirt. And now once I plug this in, it should change my audio to what the mic is listening to. So let me plug this into my phone, and now it probably should have changed. I can't actually hear like anything, but yeah. So now the mic is on, my audio probably changed. Let me do something. So this is me with the mic on. That's what it sounds like. Now let me take this thing out. Now let me do it again. I don't even know if it sounds different or not, but tell me in the comments if I should be using this mic during my videos and if it sounds better. But that was just a little review, so see ya.